How to find and change Shopify store name and URL 2024. Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be quickly walking you through on how you can easily change your Shopify store's URL and name. So to do this, what you're simply going to do is you're going to go over to your settings. Once you're over here, you're in your profile and your store details. You're going to click on this, and here you can change your store name. So let's say I'm going to just call this my new one. Once we do that, I'm going to click on save. Okay. Then, you get your phone number and all. You can set all these things. Then, how do you change your store's URL? For that, you're going to come down here in domains. And obviously, to change your name for your domain, you're going to need to choose a new domain. And to choose a new domain, you're going to need to choose a new name. So let's say if you want to search you keep a new URL, I'm going to write my new URL. Okay, I'm just going to write that. And you can obviously either buy this new domain or connect an existing domain. So let's say I want to buy a domain that goes by this name, and obviously it's going to give me different domains by this name. So you just buy it, and that is how you can change your URL and name on Shopify. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.